You sleep for 8 full hours, yet you wake up feeling exhausted. Meanwhile, someone else sleeps for 5 and wakes up energized. Your brain does not count the total hours you spend in bed. It tracks a different metric entirely. That metric is the sleep cycle. Every night, your brain moves through specific stages required to repair your body and process your memories. This graph tracks the descent into deep sleep. When an interruption occurs, the descent is cut short, forcing your brain back to an alert state. This causes fragmented sleep, creating a heavy feeling psychologists call sleep inertia. If you prioritize arbitrary hours over your brain's internal rhythm, your body might be stationary, but your mind never actually recovers. A sleep cycle lasts roughly 90 minutes, divided into deep sleep for physical repair and REM sleep for memories. Waking mid-cycle triggers morning grogginess, but waking at the completion of a cycle shifts your brain easily to alertness. To work with this rhythm, plan your rest in blocks of 4.5, 6, or 7.5 hours. This aligns your alarm with the lighter stages of sleep, moving away from the guesswork of a random 8-hour window. When you match your schedule to these biological cycles, you minimize the friction of waking up. Maintaining these cycles requires consistency. Your brain needs a predictable schedule to time the release of melatonin, the hormone that signals sleepiness. These readings show the transition required for rest. The jagged beta waves represent an active mind, while smooth alpha waves represent relaxation. Shifting between them requires cognitive offloading, a process achieved through the 3-2-1 power down roll. 3 hours before bed, stop eating heavy meals. This allows your body to focus on recovery rather than active digestion. 2 hours before bed, put away work and complex problem solving to let the mind decelerate. 1 hour before bed, remove all screens. Blue light blocks melatonin and keeps your brain in an alert state. The 3-2-1 routine provides the physiological window your brain needs to transition naturally into the state where sleep begins. The first 10 minutes of your morning set the chemical baseline for the rest of your day. Direct sunlight exposure resets your circadian rhythm and activates serotonin to boost your focus. You can reinforce this shift with a physical trigger, such as cold water or a few minutes of movement. As the flowchart shows, these inputs trigger a release of dopamine and norepinephrine, natural energy boosters that help clear the morning fog. These routines only work if you move past the idea that prioritizing sleep is a sign of laziness. In reality, consistent recovery is what allows for emotional stability and sharp decision-making. Sleep is the brain's specialized mode for performance maintenance. By mastering the timing of your recovery, you ensure that your brain is prepared for the cognitive demands of the day ahead.